Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're eager to dive into the world of live TV on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to watch YouTube TV on an iPhone. This is perfect for cord cutters or anyone wanting to stream their favorite shows on the go. Let's jump right in and make this super straightforward. First things first, you need to ensure you have the YouTube TV app installed. Head over to the App Store on your iPhone, search for YouTube TV, and download it if you haven't already. It's free to download, but you'll need a subscription to access all the content. Think of it as your gateway to over 100 channels. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. If you're new, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account or create one. Don't worry, it's quick and secure. After signing in, you'll land on the home screen, where you can browse live TV, on-demand shows, or even record your favorites using the DVR feature. Now, to start watching, simply tap on a channel or search for specific content using the search bar at the top. For example, if you're craving some sports, type in NFL, and boom, you're set. One cool tip. If you want to cast to a bigger screen, connect to Chromecast or AirPlay for a cinematic experience. One more thing. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data to avoid buffering. YouTube TV works best on iOS 14 or later, so update your phone if needed. And if you run into any issues, check the app settings or visit YouTube's Help Center. There you have it. Watching YouTube TV on your iPhone is easier than you think. Whether you're commuting or relaxing at home, this setup will keep you entertained. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.